In this problem, we need to prove that the sum of two operators is commutative. So in order to prove that these two operators on the left-hand side and the right-hand side are equal, we must show that they give the same result when we operate these on any function, on any arbitrary function, let's say f of x. So what we need to prove is that this is what we need to do. So let's start with this. We know that when two operators operate on a function, the sum of two operators, this, right? And once we have this, when an operator operates in a function, the result is another function. So this term and this term at this point are functions. So we can write the sum of two functions, g plus f, as the same as f plus g, right? So we can write it as so what we are saying, sorry. So from here we can okay, yeah, so we can write it like this, right? Now let's just see what um, this equals. This actually equals, so we get the same result, right? So we have proven that LHS, the left-hand side result, leads to a result that is the same as the right-hand side of the equation. So this tells you that both sides of the equation are the same. We've proven what we needed to prove. So if we delete the function f, it would just mean this.